Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel QTech Information. So in this video we will learn about the difference between automation testing and manual testing. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's continue the video. And if you like our video, then please subscribe our channel and share this video to the others colleagues or your friends. So let's start this video. Differences between manual and automation testing. Okay, so before starting the differences, first we will learn about learn or understand about the definition of manual testing and definition of automation testing. So first we will learn what is manual testing. Okay, so in manual testing, generally the QA analyst or tester perform the testing or execute the test cases manually and found the bugs or raise these bugs. So that process is known as the manual testing. Okay, so in manual testing, generally QA tester or testers create or prepare test cases, and that test cases execute by the testers manually. So whereas in automation testing, what is on automation testing? So the automation testing is performed by some automation tools to run or execute the test script. So here in automation testing, no such type of manual test cases. So in this automation testing, there are some test scripts or codes that is executed on some automation tools and found the bugs if some bugs are missing in the manual testing. So we learn about what is manual and what is automation testing. So let's start. Our main topic is differences between the manual and automation testing. So first differences in manual and automation testing is processing time. So in processing, what is processing time? So the processing time, generally we say that the means how we complete that task in how minutes, in how hours, how take times. So how much take times. So in manual testing, the processing time is more, and manual testing is generally time consuming and takes human resources, means more human resources are required in the manual testing. Means if you want test some software, some application, then if you use manual testing, so you have 3 to 2 or maybe sometimes 5 manual testers are required to test that that application or softwares. But as compared to the automation testing, processing time is less. Okay, so processing time is less because here some very less humans are required to test this automation testing, because we are using automation tools. Okay, so the manual testing is significantly faster than a manual approach. Okay, so the first difference between manual and automation is processing time. Now the second one is, reliability. In manual testing, if suppose if any testers are not okay with his or her means mindset, or he has some issue with mindset or some problems, so he is not accurately test that application or software. So manual testing is not as accurate because of the possibility of human errors. So physically not fit, mentally not fit. So that's why the bugs are missing in manual testing. So reliability is not accurate. Okay, but whereas in automation testing, the reliability is automated testing is a reliable method because here we are not found much, means we are using tools, automation tools, so performance are good, and scripts are all are executed. and there is no testing fatigue. So the second main difference between the manual and automation is reliability. And now the third one is, training process. Okay, so main differences between manual and differences, third one is third one is training process. In manual testing, test cases provide no training values, so means less training is required to execute that test cases in manual testing. Whereas in automation testing, we have to know about the coding values, and the tests are means well known as the codes or programs. They can execute that scripts in automation tools. So in automation testing, some training are required in this automation testing. So the differences we learned today is differences between manual and automation testing. So if you like our video, then please subscribe and like and share the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.